very good afternoon to you all, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andrew Ike. I'm the captain of your flight down to Sharm-el-Sheikh today, along with my colleague here on the flight deck, Mike Hammond. It's our pleasure to be flying you on the outbound trip of your holiday. I'm sure you'll be pleased to hear that we have no restrictions to our departure today, so we should be pushing back from the stand very shortly, taxiing out for takeoff on the westerly runway here at East Midlands, and our route then gives us a left-hand turn out, flying down towards Coventry, around the outskirts of London, before moving out over Central Europe on our route down towards Egypt. When we get established in the cruise, I'll get back to you with more details of the flight. But in the meantime, please sit back, relax, make yourselves comfortable, enjoy Thomson's in-flight service. I know you'll be well looked after. I would like to remind you all that the cabin crew are here primarily for your safety, and very shortly they will be showing you a safety procedures demonstration for this type of aircraft, and I would require that you give this demonstration your full attention. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now take you through the safety demonstration. The emergency exits are clearly marked in red throughout the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may be behind you, is being pointed out now by the cabin crew. If instructed to use an escape slide, leave all baggage behind and remove high-heeled shoes. Should you need assistance in finding these exits, low-level lights will illuminate the aisle as being indicated by the cabin crew. The panel above your head contains your emergency oxygen supply. Should there be any changes in cabin pressure, masks like this will drop down in front of you. Sit down and pull the mask downwards. Place it over your nose and mouth with the elastic around your head and breathe normally, adjusting the straps to secure it. Make sure your own mask is fitted correctly before assisting others. Whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and opened like this. There is a life jacket underneath your seat or beneath your centre armrest. Do not remove your life jacket unless instructed to do so by the cabin crew. To fit the life jacket, place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them in a double bow on your left side. The life jacket will inflate when you pull down sharply on the red toggle. It may also be inflated or topped up by blowing into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. It is important that you do not inflate the life jacket inside the aircraft, as this will hinder your exit. Flotation equipment is available for children and infants. There is a safety information card located in your seat area. This illustrates the emergency procedures together with the brace position, which must be adopted should the command brace be given by the cabin crew. Please do take time to read this before takeoff. Before we make a final check of the cabin, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Fold away your tray table, put your seat back upright and your armrest down. If you do have any questions, then please ask one of the crew, and thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.
It's the runway.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Oh, the sun's come on.
Oh, it's nice day today, isn't it?
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, heck.
Imagine Ross being a pilot, there's always just let go of the steering wheel.